If alpha and beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then find the value of alpha minus beta. So first of all, we know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, and alpha beta is equal to c upon a. Now we will find the value of alpha minus beta. So this can be written as square root of alpha minus beta whole square. Now we can apply the formula of a minus b whole square. So we have alpha square minus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. Now this can be written as alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square minus 4 alpha beta, because 2 alpha beta minus 4 alpha beta equals minus 2 alpha beta. Now we have square root of alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. And now we can put the value of alpha plus beta and alpha beta over here. So we have minus b upon a whole square minus 4 times c upon a. So square of minus b is b square, and square of a is a square minus 4c upon a. Now we can multiply and divide this fraction by a, so we have 4ca upon a square. Now the denominators are same, so we can subtract the numerators, and we have square root of b square minus 4ca upon a square. Now we have square root on the fraction, so this will be equal to square root of the numerator upon square root of the denominator. So we have square root of b square minus 4ca upon square root of a square, and then we can cancel square and square root, so we have square root of b square minus 4ca upon a. So the value of alpha minus beta equals square root of b square minus 4ca upon a.